Hello everyone, if you're getting this error on X, content is not available when you're trying to watch any video, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on X easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your browser and then you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go ahead and download this software, and once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and install it. And after it's done installing, you're going to open it up and then you're going to come here. You're going to click on to 1.1.1.1 with warp and then click connect. Wait for it to connect, and once it's done connecting, now you can open up your Twitter and you'll see that you can watch any video you want and you will not get that content is not available on X anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.